Each day of this Republican convention has a specific theme. Today, it is Make America Strong once again. Yesterday, the focus was on safety, and each day, the party is going to emphasize unity.
Let's send Joe Biden back to his basement, and let's send Donald Trump back to the White House.
In a show of GOP solidarity, Day 2 of the Republican National Convention saw several of Donald Trump's former rivals take center stage.
I'll start by making one thing perfectly clear. Donald Trump has my strong endorsement, period.
Nikki Haley, a late add to the evening's agenda following Saturday's shooting, received a standing ovation from the former president.
You don't have to agree with Trump 100% of the time to vote for him. Take it from me. I haven't always agreed with President Trump. But we agree more often than we disagree.
Florida Senator Marco Rubio, on Trump's short list for running mate until Monday, also made a push for the new Trump-Vance ticket.
We will not just make America great again. We will make America greater than it has ever been.
For an evening focused on the GOP's law and order message, Saturday's shooting offered an opportunity to address the Trump assassination attempt head on.
God Almighty intervened because America is one nation under God, and he is certainly not finished with President Trump.
Last Saturday was a jarring reminder that we, as Americans, must always remember. There is more that unites us than divides us.
And today we expect to hear from Trump's new running mate, Senator J.D. Vance. We expect him to formally accept his party's nomination as vice president. In Milwaukee, Doug Luzader, Fox News.